Hi everyone, just a quick reminder that if you're interested in making these beautiful little purses, they actually carry a lip balm inside. And not just that, but also how to make these very nice gift card holders. They look like this inside. You have the link below for my online course. It's very affordable, $9.99. And you also learn how to make a pom-pom charm. So there you are. Click on the link below and let's get back to the tutorial. Hello my dear crafters. Today we have a very quick project but very cute. Great for Christmas gifts, for stocking fillers, and of course for craft fairs. So these are nail file holders. Very fast to make. And one of those things that you can mass produce and make a whole bunch in one day. So that's what we're gonna learn today. I have an extra one here, and do stay tuned because my next one will be I'm going to have another nail file holder tutorial for you. Whoop, that's the one that's gonna be coming up soon, but today we're gonna do this one. And I did all the calculations so that we could make 2 of these with 1 sheet of 6x6 paper. So that's fantastic. And do use cardstock or a little thicker paper because you want it to be sturdy. So I'm going to put this away and we are going to begin. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We need a 6x6 piece of paper. So if you have a 12x12, you're going to make 8, which is great. And we're going to cut it in half because each one is, let me see here, 3 inches. So it's going to be 6x3. So you're going to have 2. You're going to be able to make 2 with that. Very quick. Let me get my scoring board. So we're going to square it in 4 places. So we're going to do this at 7/8 of an inch, 1 1/8 of an inch, and then we're going to have 2 and 2 1/4 of an inch. And that's all the scoring you need. Look how quick this comes. So we're gonna just burnish. I don't have my bone folder here, so I'll just use my nail. So you're just going to burnish all these folding lines that we just did. And there you go. This is basically it. Look at that. All we need to do now is, well, one thing that I love to do, because I do think it looks very nice, is to just make this cut here. You don't have to do that, but if you have a 1-inch punch like this, paper punch, one of those circle ones, you can just make sure that it's aligned. And I can see here where the middle would be. You're just gonna punch it. You don't have to, but if you do have it, not a problem. And we are going to glue it. So what you're gonna see is that one will come all the way here. So we're gonna put glue on this side here. This is so easy, and I measured it in a way that is very flush. It's very kind of fits perfectly, this nail file. And I'll have the link below to the file, to the nail file, because they're very inexpensive. You get each one. I bought 10 for $5, so each one would be 50 cents. So it's the same price as Dollar Tree, much better quality. This is really good quality. I'm just gonna use, I don't have my bone folder, so I'm just gonna use the file holder to press it down to make sure that it's all glued. And there we are. So here's how we do the bottom here. You're just gonna pinch like this, very easy, and then you're going to add glue here, okay? That's that, and we're done. Basically now all we need to do is to add the decoration, and then you can decorate whichever way you want because we're done. This is the front here. And I'm going to add this little guy to this one. All you need is just one ephemera, or if you have any, you know, Christmas stamps, just a stamped image will do. Whatever you have. So I thought that this guy here would be perfect. And he is, look at that. We have the base here, like this. See, that's how it stays at the end. Use good quality glue. I'll have the link below to the one that I use. It's quick, very quick to dry and very good quality. And there you are. We have our nail file folder or holder, sorry. So here it's very quick and you can make so many, and I really did the measures so that we could get 2 for each 6 and a 6 by 6 paper. So there you are. It's a perfect present, little gift for your stockings. And yeah, so there you are. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and do stay tuned because the next file holder is gonna look like this. Different, and I use more like traditional colors. I like bright colors for Christmas like this. It's more fun and it's different. And this paper here, let me just pick it up so in case you want to find. So here's the paper that I used. I'm not sure if you'll find the exact one, but Lawn Fawn, they always have these alternative colors for Christmas, which I love. So I'll find something similar if I don't find this one, and I'll have the link below, okay? So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you had fun and you're ready to make some. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next.